Welcome to Sajeeda's kitchen. Today we are preparing prawns patio. So let's get started and have a look at the recipe. In a pan, add oil. Add jeera. Let the jeera splitter. Add onion. Saute it until golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, add ginger garlic paste. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. Add turmeric. Add coriander powder, sambar masala powder and chopped chilies. Roast the masala well. Once the masala is roasted, add finely chopped tomato. Saute it. Now we are adding the main ingredient of our dish, and that is prawns. Kindly avoid overcooking the prawns as it becomes chewy. Add enough water. Give it a mix. Cover with lid. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Remove the lid and check the consistency. Now add salt to taste. At the end, add jaggery powder and non-fruit vinegar. Mix them well. Add chopped coriander. Give it a mix. Here we have our ingredients. Kindly have a look. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already subscribed. Hope you enjoyed the recipe.